Meet here, Dr. Cox, with your daily episode of Body Armor. We're going to keep with that mobility series that I was talking about for the lower extremity. We're going to stay with the hip so it creates a fluid mobility and ability for people to kind of just flow through this mobility if they're trying to get the whole leg moving and stretching for them. Again, this is going to be to help power you out of that bottom of that squat. This is going to be more for your ability to pull that hip through if you're big on running and that stand or the swing phase coming on through. What you're going to do is keep that same green band we talked about last time, heavy bands. It's going to go right into that hip crease so you can transition out of that downward dog into this motion. Again, we're going to stretch it nice and far forward so it's pulling us down and back. We're going to put our foot up on a pretty decently high step, so we're at a minimum of that 90-degree angle, and we're just going to work on sinking ourselves down and standing up. You're going to do about 20 of these and have a decent pull. You should feel it pulling you backwards, maybe a little bit of tightness in that outside of that hip as you come down. It shouldn't feel super comfortable with where the band is holding you at. If you need a little bit more mobility and a little bit more stretch, you can kind of come pull it out at an angle so it's pulling you down and back. Again, bending in, trying to lower that hip on down and coming back up. You'll do about 20 of these, relax on out, and then repeat for 2 rounds. You want to do any of this stuff on both legs, ideally. If you don't have the time, the leg that's giving you the most problems. If you're still liking what you see with me, Molly, and Dr. Tansini, hit the subscribe button for us and keep coming back because we're going to keep you moving.